Hey guys, Lego for Day here, and today we're doing Lego Mountain Part 3. Taking apart this train station in order to put those gray pieces on there, because I don't like this train station because it just doesn't look good, it doesn't match anything, it wasn't very good, and it has a lot of pieces that I need, so I'll be taking those pieces to make this mountain larger, and yeah, so enjoy this video. So here's what we did. As you can see, we replaced the train station with the hospital and the office building, and we moved them from here, and now the pizza shop is there because we used the parts from the train station to make this much taller, and now we're actually making quite a bit of progress, and we're getting taller. I'd say it's about maybe a little more than a foot. And it's really coming together now, so hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.